learned about 3-letter CVC words along with ag family. If you are watching my videos for first time, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. In today's class, we are going to learn about 3-letter CVC words along with am family. Children, CVC simply means consonant, vowel, consonant. We have to always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Are you excited about today's class? Yes, very good. Let's begin. Letter A. A makes the sound A. Letter M. M makes the sound M. A and M together makes the sound am. A, M, am. Now we are going to learn words with am sound. Ha, am, ham, ha, am, ham, j, am, jam, j, am, jam, am, ram, am, ram, y, am, yam, y, am, yam. Children, now let's practice some more words. Practicing more words makes you perfect reader. Bam, dam, pam, Sam. Now let's have a quick review. You all can join with me. Bam, dam, ham, jam, pam, ram, Sam, yam. Children, practice these words every day because practicing more words plays an important part in learning to read. I hope we all had fun reading today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.